Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT for school and avoid plagiarism. Well, the first thing to do here is to make sure that you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Now, let's just say you are going to create or make an essay about bullying. So all you have to do is to ask ChatGPT to write you an essay about bullying. So all you have to do is to type it right here on this box. And then after that, press enter. So as you can see, I am writing here, write me an essay about bullying. So this is what ChatGPT's answer about that. And it's very awesome that all you have to do is to copy this one. So this is the answer of ChatGPT, an essay about bullying. Now, in order for you to guarantee that there's no plagiarism here, all you have to do is to copy this, go to plagiarism checker, and then paste this essay. So click the first one here. Now, actually, you can see lots of plagiarism checker, but some of them or some of it you need to pay, okay, are not for free. So make sure that this plagiarism checker is 100% free. So as you can see, this one, I can't use this because you need to pay for this. So let's try find another one. So I found this free plagiarism checker. So all you have to do is to paste this one here and kindly tap down below. Okay, check plagiarism. You have to check this first. I'm not a robot. And check plagiarism. Now, now a percentage of plagiarism will appear right here. And if it's 15%, 14%, 20%, or 50%, obviously you cannot use this one. You cannot use this essay. So as I have checked using this plagiarism checker, there is a, I think, 14% plagiarism on this. Oh, 17% rather. So obviously we cannot use this one. Now, what are we going to do now is to copy this one and go to a site which is a paraphrasing tool. So all you have to do is to copy this one, go to that site and paste the essay here using this paraphrasing tool. So once you paste this one, you just have to paraphrase it and the result will appear right here. Now all you have to do is to copy this one and go back to plagiarism checker tool to make sure that it's 0% plagiarism. So as you can see, if you're going to check this one, you can see here that it's 0% plagiarism. So obviously you can copy and use this essay. If you find this informative, please like and subscribe and see you again in our next videos.